still very new at this in accepting compliments and acknowledgement for the work. So before I begin, I was always told that whenever we're doing celebrations or we're doing events like this, that it's important to acknowledge who we are, where we come from. I'm going to do that in my language. So, and I'll explain a little bit about what I'm saying afterwards. So I'll translate it as well. So, Kaliwanda umong kalagawan sa tejibuni sa leo kaliwagat sa nuni jibagajat is no pasung quantes on eso juego kalagawan sa is no pasung quantes on yung tinola o jade is no pasung quantes ne hokmenum o gio kalagawan sa eso juego is no pasung quantes on ne kale onung quat ne quali go kalagawan sa is no pasung quantes on eso juego ne Jim ne Shaw Media is no pasung quantes ne the celebration that we're doing today. I didn't know how to say that in my language, so I'm just going to get right into it now. So what I said is that today, that I was given the responsibility to give thanks for this day, that it's a good day to be here and I'm happy. I said that today is a good day for the celebration that we're having. I also said first and foremost that I give thanks to the Hokumenum, the traditional indigenous people of the territories of where we are right now. So that would consist of in no particular order, the Skohomish, the Tsleil-Waututh, the Musqueam, the Kwapin, the Kakite. It's very important that we acknowledge where we come from. And why it's important where we come from is because it's not to talk about the differences and to talk about us being separate, but it talks about the pride that we have. And it talks about acknowledging each other for our gifts. And it's the differences that we all have that make it a gift for us. And so that's what I really like about Shaw. That's what I really like about Jim. And when we started working together, is he really spoke to us about coming together and sharing, the gifts that we all have. He also told me I really only had 5 minutes, and it's hard for me to talk just for 5 minutes. But I want to say, to continue in what I said, is that today is a good day. I'm happy to be here, and I give thanks for all of you, each one of you. I said, all of you who are here, I give thanks. From all of you who come from far away, from all of you who are here within the city, within the different cities around here, I give thanks. I give thanks to our Mother the Earth. Without our Mother the Earth, we wouldn't be here. That's what I wanted to talk about quickly, is that the importance of all of us learning to accept each other, of our differences, our backgrounds, our cultures, our religious beliefs, our spiritual beliefs, our unique identities. It's important for us to acknowledge, to accept, and to cooperate with each other. Why we need to cooperate with each other is because, we may be in different borders, we may come from different countries and different backgrounds, but we all come from the same earth. And in my culture, we acknowledge that and say that's our medicine wheel. The medicine wheel consists of our Mother the Earth and all the people and all the different beings in all of the directions. And that's what we're here to celebrate, to recognize all of our differences, but to honor the gifts that we bring, because it's our differences that are the gifts. I said that in language as well, that I just shared, that I gave thanks to our Mother the Earth, I also said that I gave thanks to my bear here that's on my shoulder. I'm a bear dancer. I'm newly initiated into this bear dance society. My responsibility is I've had to choose why I'm going to dance. And why I chose to dance is that when the 215 came to Lake in Kamloops the year before last, that's when it was awakened up inside of me to start dancing, to bring awareness of our shared histories here in Canada. And so I'm not here to talk about that, the hardship of it. I'm here to work with everyone to move forward on how we can work together to make this place in this country, in this world, a better place, a place of acceptance, a place of love and kindness, a place of compassion. I want to thank all of you for being here. I think I'm at my limit now. I appreciate all of you, so I'm going to raise my hands to all of you for being here and the good work that you're doing. In my language, we say Ezugunalumpa. Ezugunalumpa means that I have. Gunalumpa means that I love you. And when I say Ezugunalumpa, I'm saying that I really love you. Gunalumpa means that you are a medicine to me. And so when I say Ezugunalumpa, I'm saying all of you here are a medicine to me. because we believe that's the best medicine that we can share with each other is compassion, acceptance, love, kindness. So es con lumpa ni so puedo ga ikaw ni so ani ko ni yung happy mo buwan. I also, my name is Salioa. I come from the Oneida Battens First Nation, located outside of London, Ontario. So I'm a visitor here as well. So, yeah. Thank you very much.